Hey everyone, welcome back to The Mind Detective. Today we're cracking the code of attraction. Ever felt like you're putting in the effort, but the sparks just aren't flying? You might be making some common mistakes that kill attraction without even realizing it. Fear not, gentlemen. In this video, we'll unveil the top 5 attraction assassins and show you exactly how to neutralize them. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, the one-man show. We've all seen it. The guy who dominates the conversation, showering the woman with his life story and opinions. Here's the shocker. Women love to engage too. This mistake screams insecurity and can make you seem self-absorbed. The fix: practice active listening. Ask thoughtful questions that go beyond yes or no answers. Show genuine interest in her experiences by commenting back and building on her points. Don't be afraid to share your own stories, but keep it balanced. Remember, conversation is a two-way street. Mistake number 2, Mr. Negative. Nobody enjoys being around a constant complainer. Negativity is a major turnoff. It drains energy and makes you seem pessimistic about life. Sure, everyone has bad days, but dwelling on them creates a gloomy atmosphere. The fix: cultivate a positive outlook. Focus on the good things, even the small ones. Share funny stories and show your enthusiasm for life. Remember, positivity is attractive. If you are struggling with negativity, consider ways to manage stress, like exercise or meditation. A positive outlook starts from within, and it shows. Mistake number 3. The clingy clump neediness is a major attraction killer. Constant texts, unsolicited check-ins, and being overly possessive smother any chance of a spark. It shows a lack of trust and confidence, and frankly, it can be quite creepy. The fix: develop healthy independence. Pursue your own hobbies, spend time with friends, and give her space. Trust and confidence are way more attractive than desperation. This doesn't mean you shouldn't be affectionate or show interest, but it means finding a balance. A healthy relationship allows room for both partners to grow individually while still feeling connected. Mistake number 4, the mystery-less man. A little mystery can be intriguing, but being an open book is a snooze fest. Don't reveal everything about yourself at once. Leave room for her to discover who you are. This doesn't mean being secretive or dishonest. It just means letting some things unfold naturally. The fix: show your depth. Share interesting facts about your hobbies, have hidden talents, and maintain an aura of intrigue. Maybe you're a woodworking enthusiast who builds beautiful furniture, or maybe you're a phenomenal cook who can whip up a gourmet meal on short notice. Let these facets of your personality emerge organically during conversations. A little mystery keeps things exciting. Mistake number 5, the predictable player. Falling into a routine can kill the spark. Predictable dates, monotonous conversations, and zero spontaneity make things dull. It shows a lack of effort and imagination and can make her feel like she's just another face in the crowd. The fix: be spontaneous. Surprise her with a new activity, like taking a pottery class together or volunteering at an animal shelter. Plan a quirky date night, like a stargazing picnic in the park, or a visit to a local museum with a weird exhibit. A little adventurous spirit keeps the attraction alive. Remember, it's not about expensive outings, but about showing that you're willing to put in the effort to create unique memories together. So there you have it, fellas. By avoiding these attraction assassins and implementing these fixes, you'll be well on your way to sparking real connections. Remember, confidence, positivity, and a touch of mystery go a long way. Now get out there and show your amazing self to the world. What are some other attraction killers you've encountered? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, stay curious, stay confident, and stay tuned to The Mind Detective.